US President Donald Trump has announced an additional 10% tariff on Canadian imports, accusing Canada of spreading misleading advertisements involving late President Ronald Reagan. In a Truth Social post on Saturday, Trump said Canada had distorted Reagan's statements in a recent Ontario advertisements to portray him as anti-tariff. Trump claimed his mispresentation was a deliberate attempt to deceive the public. Prompting his decision to impose new tariffs, analysts warned that the move could significantly impact Canada's aluminium and steel industries. The controversial ad reused footage of Reagan's old speeches, representing him as an advocate of free trade.